If you're an experienced sax player that's been playing for years, you've had lessons, you've done summer programs, you've tried everything, but you keep having these moments of plateauing. You keep having these moments of getting stuck, and you're not even sure why sometimes. Well, I've discovered after teaching hundreds of students from all over the world over the last 25 years, what keeps students stuck, what keeps sax players stuck. Even if they've been playing for years, have experience, go out and perform, they still get to a point where they're like, I just feel like I'm not getting better. And it comes down to three things. And I'm going to take you through those three things right now. And it all starts with the number one thing, which is not having a great coach. And I say coach because sometimes it's not just about having a teacher. It's not just about having someone that tells you, practice your long tones, practice your scales. It's about having a coach. It's about having someone that actually helps you achieve your specific goals, helps you get excited about playing, helps you feel confident about your playing, and knows how to inspire you, right? So there's a lot of great teachers out there and they know their stuff, but you don't necessarily get inspired by them. I've had some pretty boring teachers over my 10 years of music education, and I've learned a lot from them, but I didn't feel inspired by them. I didn't feel very encouraged by them. Sometimes I got some very negative feedback from my teachers, and it actually bummed me out. Like I didn't want to practice anymore, because I felt like I wasn't doing that well. And that's the difference, is having a coach is always going to be there for you, always going to support you, always going to encourage you, always going to meet you where you are and be sensitive to the struggles of learning the saxophone. Sometimes you have bad days, sometimes you make mistakes, sometimes you're feeling like you're just in a rut and you're not able to get out of it. A coach will help you get out of it. And this is what I do for my students. I take on very few students every year inside my online saxophone coaching program, and I want to coach them. I want to coach them through the process of getting the confidence to go on stage. I want to coach them through the process of getting that dream saxophone tone that they've always wanted. And the reality is, it is hard, it is challenging, but if you have a good coach, you can feel inspired, you can feel encouraged. And that's why I've had students for years upon years, because they keep coming back, because they feel supported, encouraged, and inspired by my coaching. So that is the number one reason. If you don't have a coach, or maybe you do have a teacher, but you're not feeling like you're getting that inspiration and encouragement and guidance, that's probably the reason why you're plateauing, because you're going into the practice room just feeling like, here we go again, the same stuff over and over. I'm not really feeling like I'm getting anywhere. So let me know in the comments below if any of this resonates with you. If you've had teachers that just didn't feel like they had enough structure, or maybe you did have a great teacher like a coach in the past that really did inspire you. What was it about the way they taught you that you loved? Let me know in the comments below. Now, before I move on to the second thing, I just want to let you know who I am. I'm a saxophone player from Ireland. My name's Alexander Matthias. I live out here in Los Angeles, and I've been playing saxophone for 28 years. And I've been a professional musician for nearly 20 years now, performing and touring around the world. But I've also had hundreds of students I've helped achieve their goals on saxophone, get out on stage, win auditions to go to music college, play in bands, be able to jam with anyone, be able to get professional gigs. I've coached a lot of students through that process. And if you want to learn more about my process, go and check out my Saxophone Mastery Blueprint, where I take you through my saxophone mastery system. You can just go to saxophonemasterclass.com/blueprint, or you can check out the description below. Now, the second thing that keeps sax players stuck is that they don't have clear goals. So think back to when you felt like you were getting somewhere. Think back to when you felt inspired. Maybe you had a great coach, or maybe you just had really clear goals. Maybe you were in a band and you were working on pieces of music to prepare for that band, working on improvising so you can solo in that band. Maybe you had, a party coming up and you wanted to perform for friends and family. Or maybe you had a wedding that you were going to perform at and you needed to learn your daughter's favorite song or your son's favorite song. Or maybe you just had a jam band that you used to play with every week and it would just excite you. You'd have a reason to get in the practice room and you'd feel like you were making progress. It's important to have specific goals on why you're learning this beautiful instrument, on what it is you're trying to achieve. Maybe you want to learn a specific piece of music or a specific sax solo or a specific horn line. You need to get clear on your goals. both short-term and long-term. So you got to think about that. If you're not having specific goals on the saxophone, that's probably one of the reasons why you're plateauing right now. So again, if you want to comment below, let me know, what's your long-term goal on the saxophone? What's your short-term goal? Is there something coming up in a few weeks that you need to work on? Let me know below and make that your focus, because that's what's going to inspire you to get in the practice room and start to get real results. And finally, the third thing that keeps sax players stuck, that stops them from moving forward, is not having structured practice plans. You're going into the practice room and you're just sort of fumbling around, playing a few scales, playing some long tones, playing a few songs to some backing tracks, but you're not really focused. You don't have structure, which is probably because you don't have your goals in place, right? So having specific goals can help you with structuring your practice plans. But again, if you don't have a coach that's going to show you how to structure those practice plans, it can be really difficult to know what to practice. So not having a structure to your practice plans is essential. So whenever my students go into the practice room, not only do they have specific goals that they want to achieve, they have songs they want to learn, they have solos they want to learn, they have performances coming up, I give them a structured practice plan that works towards those specific goals. And I tell them exactly what tone exercises to work on, what scales to work on, what technique and rhythm exercises to work on, how they can start improvising if they want to improvise over that song, how they can start memorizing the songs. I give them structured plans in order to achieve their goals. So that's probably another reason why you're plateauing right now, is you don't have that structure in your practice plans. Now think about it. If you had a coach, if you had specific goals, if you had structured practice plans, do you think you'd be stuck right now? Do you think you will have plateaued in your playing? Probably not, right? It's almost impossible to plateau if you have those three things in place. So I really hope this was helpful, and I hope it inspires you to start focusing on those three things. Find a good coach, think about your goals, get some structure into your practice plans. But if you do want to learn more about my system of how I teach and how I coach my students, go and check out saxophonemasterclass.com/blueprint, or check out the link in the description, and that's going to give you some more information on my process. And not only that, you'll get access to an in-depth mini course on how you can start applying that saxophone mastery system, along with some PDF downloads that you can start using today to start getting yourself out of this plateau. So go ahead and check it out. There's a link in the description, and until next time, my friend, happy playing.